Jefferson County until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Lebanon to Zionsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Zionsville, Westfield, Cicero, Whitestown, Sheridan, Arcadia, Atlanta, and Morse Reservoir. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 128 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone and Hamilton,